X-Wing Control, test, radio check.
Test, X-Wing Control has you loud and clear. Test, X-Wing Control ready for engagement.
Engagement in 3, 2, 1. X-Wing has control.
X-Wing has control.
X-Wing has control.
X-Wing Control is ready for ground block. Elevator aft.
Check.
Elevator forward.
Check.
Elevator neutral, aileron coming left.
Check.
Test, X-Wing Control, pre-flight is complete. All systems are go, ready to taxi.
Roger, X-Wing Control, ready to taxi.
Conquer ground, Xwing Caravan, PSA, ready to taxi, 1 left for takeoff with information mic.
X-Wing Caravan, Conquer ground, runway 1 left, taxi via Gulf.
1 left, main ramp to Gulf, Xwing Caravan. Auto taxi initiated. Concord Tower, X-Wing Caravan on Gulf, request takeoff 1 left with left coast traffic.
X-Wing Caravan, left coast traffic approved, traffic in the L-plane Cessna is in left coast traffic, runway 1 left, clear for takeoff.
X-Wing Caravan, clear for takeoff, 1 left close traffic approved. Auto takeoff initiated.
X-Wing Caravan number 2, follow Cessna left downwind past the numbers, runway 1 left, clear to land number 2.
Clear to land number 2, 1 left, X-Wing Caravan with traffic to follow in sight. Test control DA shows traffic to follow turning base.
Looking. Copy visual.
Brake test pass, all systems green, continue auto land.
Stabilize, clear to land, on glide path.
X-Wing Caravan, turn right at the end, contact ground point 9er, have a good day.
Right at the end, ground point 9er, have a good day, X-Wing Caravan. Conquer ground, X-Wing Caravan, exiting 1 left on Alpha, request taxi back main ground.
X-Wing Caravan, Conquer ground, taxi to parking via Alpha Juliet, cross runway 32 right and runway 32 left approach.
Main ramp via Alpha Juliet, cross 32 right, 32 left approach, X-Wing Caravan. Test control, confirm visual on traffic 12 o'clock on DAA.
Copy visual.
Xwing control is ready shutdown.
Copy. Ready for shutdown.